Uranium. Martin Heinrich Klaproth discovered uranium in 1789 and named it after the planet Uranus. This is a drawing of a uranium atom which has 92 protons and electrons in its nucleus. In its outer shells it has 2, 8, 18, 32, 21, 9, and 2 electrons. Traits and characteristics. Uranium is a very dense, silvery white element in the actinoid group. It's in period 7, which also contains francium, radium, actinium, thorium, and many other elements. Uranium is naturally radioactive. Because of that, it's often used for nuclear power and weapons. It can also undergo thermonuclear chain reactions. Uses for uranium. Uranium can be used for both nuclear power or nuclear weapons. For nuclear weapons, though, the isotope U-235 must be enriched to about 90%, while for nuclear fuel it only needs 5% enrichment. This is because the more common U-238 cannot sustain large chain reactions. In a nuclear bomb, nuclear fission occurs, causing chain reactions. To create the explosion, a neutron is collided with a uranium atom, causing an imbalance which breaks apart the atom, sending off more neutrons and energy, which hit other atoms. This is a chain reaction that grows and grows, creating the huge explosion of a nuclear bomb. Uranium is used as nuclear fuel because 1 kilogram of U-235 can produce as much energy as 1.5 million kilograms of coal. In nuclear weapons, U-235 must be used in a high percentage because it can undergo fission and sustain chain reactions, while U-238 cannot. Depleted uranium, which is mostly U-238, is often used for or as shielding to protect tanks, bullets, and missiles. This is because uranium is extremely dense, which is very useful in these cases. Why people want nuclear weapons. Many countries want nuclear weapons because in World War II, the US dropped 2 atomic bombs on Japan, ending the war. They dropped them on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Atomic bombs are very powerful and dangerous weapons, giving power in times of war. Nuclear threats. North Korea and Iran. Both North Korea and Iran have secretly pursued nuclear weapons in research. They've also threatened other countries with their weapons before. North Korea has been interested in nuclear weapons since World War II. North Korea has both plutonium and enriched uranium programs that are capable of producing fissile material for atomic bombs. North Korea has tested 3 nuclear bombs before, one in 2006, 2009, and 2013. North Korea now has the capability to create a nuclear device small enough to be delivered by a ballistic missile. This is a drawing of the Iranian flag on the country. Iran now has high uranium enrichment capabilities, with nearly 20,000 centrifuges to do so. The UN Security Council has demanded that Iran halt some of its enrichment programs. Signs of nuclear weapons include too many centrifuges to just be for nuclear power, and also the research of weapons and designing and modeling of them. Measures Iran has agreed to. They've agreed to reduce their centrifuges by 2/3 from 20,000 to around 6,000, to limit enrichment to about 4% for 15 years, to reduce low-enriched uranium from 10,000 kilograms to 300 kilograms, and to allow the International Atomic Energy Agency access and surveillance of the facilities. Thanks for watching.